Hey guys, it is Tuesday, October 6th in science class. Group A is in class, Group B is at home working on this on their own. Group B, this is your Monday assignment because our Monday assignment we will do together. What I'd like you to do today is I'd like you to watch this little video, something I found from Khan Academy, just to explain some energy and matter flow, talking about food webs and energy pyramids, that sort of thing. That's going to give you kind of a background information about what we're talking about today. All right. First thing we're going to do is we are going to reflect. Last week, you wrote a hypothesis for the case of a Mount Tambora eruption. Remember we talked about, we watched a video, and we talked about why did those animals die? Okay, why did those plants and animals die? And thinking about food cycling and the ecosystem, food webs, that sort of thing, were you right? Do you think you were right? And then after learning what we've learned about energy cycling and matter, would you revise your hypothesis? So you're going to write that in your email book on page 2. So your reflection, so you're looking back, were you right? And then after learning what you learned, what would you change about your hypothesis? So that's page 2 in your workbook. All right. So page 3 in your e-notebook is going to go with our activity today. So we're going to I want you to brainstorm by yourself 3 different ways you can imagine specific organisms interacting in an environment. How does that work? So, for example, you interact in your environment with your teachers, with your friends, with other maybe security or the principal. How do you interact within your spaces? And then you're going to draw a picture of the environment, including those organisms. So I'm going to have some paper for you, or you can create a Google drawing and insert it here. That's fine too. But I do want you to write captions or a paragraph describing your interactions. So if you look on the slideshow, again, I put that right there. And this is an example of those interactions that I was talking about. Okay, so the cheetah is chasing the zebra, the lion, the bugs are in the ants are in the ant hill. Okay, how are they interacting with each other? And then whatever picture you drew, I'm going to have some paper, or again, you can do this electronically, those of you who are at home, or you can do it on paper at home and take a picture of it. But we're going to go ahead and share this with a partner or somebody else and figure out, did they draw something different than you did? And how is their ecosystem different than yours? Did you draw things that are the same, that interact the same? What did you do? So even if you did this at home, go ahead and draw your picture, and then when we talk on our first day back together, we'll go ahead and share your picture with other people. All right. So that's really all you're going to do today. Is you're going to think about, you're going to reflect about your hypothesis. You're going to talk about some interactions between some organisms, and you're going to draw a picture. I'm going to give you plenty of time to do that today. All right. That's it. Hopefully you don't have any questions. So you're going to write to page 2 and 3 in your journal, and then also page 4, the think, pair, share. Okay, so you're going to do 2, 3, and 4 in your journal today. All right, that sounds good. See you tomorrow.